If you want to use Google instead of Bing as your default search engine in Microsoft Edge, here's the easiest way to do it. First, let me show you that Bing is currently set as the default search engine. I'll search for YouTube in the address bar, and as you can see, the results are from Bing. To change this, click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner and go to Settings. For the fastest method, use the search bar at the top of the settings page and type search engine. Now, click on address bar and search from the results. Under search engine used in address bar, you'll see Bing selected by default. Click on it and choose Google from the list. Next, make sure Search on New Tabs uses search box or address bar is set to address bar. This ensures that all searches, whether in the address bar or a new tab search field, will go through Google. Now let's test it. I'll type Facebook in the address bar. Google is being used. I'll do the same in the search box on a new tab, and again, Google is the default search engine. And that's it. Now, Microsoft Edge will use Google as your default search engine for all searches. Google is often preferred over Bing because it provides more relevant and accurate search results, has a powerful algorithm that understands queries better, and offers more up-to-date information. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and YouTube. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments which search engine you prefer and why. See you in the next video.